Let me go ahead and get dramatic for a second. That is, if you'll allow me to do so. And let me tell you why I want to do this. It's because YouTube creators stay out here working way too hard. And I mean that with love. If you're still doing every single thing manually, editing, researching, scripting, designing thumbnails, scheduling, repurposing your videos, you are basically running a one-person newsroom without a newsroom salary. And you're wondering why you're tired or burnt out? Trust me. In 2025, YouTube is all about working smart, not sprinting yourself into a nap you didn't plan for. And today I'm breaking down 5 step-by-step automation methods you can start using ASAP to grow your channel faster. No, I'm not talking about fully faceless channels with AI narrators, unless you want to do that. I'm talking about real creative workflows that remove the busy work and let you focus on content and creativity. And stay with me, please, until the end, because later in this video, I'm going to show you the one automation method that practically doubles your views by repurposing what you already posted without you creating anything new all over again. And then I'm going to expose the automation trap that most creators fall into that slows them down and slows down their growth. You don't want to miss that one, please. Now let's jump right into the video. The first automation method is the one that had me personally ready to throw confetti because it takes such a heavy load of creators. Automated scripting support. That is what I'm talking about. And no, I don't mean letting AI write your script for you. I'm not trying to put you out of business. What I mean is using AI as a co-writer to speed up the hard parts. You give it your topic, you give it your tone, your structure, your personality, and let it build the skeleton. Then you come in and add the seasoning to it. Your personality, specifically, tweak it, your attitude, the real life examples. You know, the Cherylisms. This cuts prep time in half. You can go from taking 4 hours to draft a video down to 45 minutes. And that's real time that you will save. The second method is automated research flows. And listen, once you set it up, it feels like having a private research assistant who never sleeps. Tools today can monitor trending keywords, pull competitor data, summarize search intent, track what's spiking on Google Trends or YouTube search. And they can send it all to you in a daily digest. You don't have to manually dig for topic ideas or trends anymore. You just wake up, check your research dashboard, and boom, 10 video ideas waiting for you to expound on. Imagine never running out of content again. Imagine not spending half your day asking, what should I make next? That's the magic of this automation tool. The third method is automated editing and repurposing. And I need you to hear this with your whole chest, your whole mind. You do not need to edit everything from scratch anymore. There are tools that take your full-length video and automatically generate captions, cut dead air, detect filler words, enhance audio quality, create shorts, pull your best hooks, clip your funniest moments, all without you lifting a finger. You upload the main video once, and the system creates all the short-form content for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, even Square IG posts on autopilot. And guess what? Multiple platforms, multiple formats, same piece of content. More reach, more views, more growth. Zero extra filming. I have a link to Opus Clip, which is one of the tools, in the description. The fourth method is automated scheduling and publishing. I know some of you all are still manually hitting upload on YouTube at 3 p.m. like it's 2016. No, not anymore. You should be planning your content in weekly or monthly batches and letting the system publish everything for you. YouTube scheduling tool can handle it. Third-party platforms can handle it too. You record on the weekend, batch record, and the software uploads for you all week long. This is how creators stay consistent even during chaos, and they don't burn out. Even during power outages, sick days, holidays, hurricanes, just chaos. Consistency becomes automatic, not emotional. Now, the fifth method, this is the one I teased earlier. This is the automation hack that doubles your reach with no new work on your part. And that's automated content recycling. Yes, recycling. Not repeating. You take your old videos, the ones that you fought for their little lives and still didn't perform, they didn't make it up to the top, and you have automation tools that you can analyze for hooks, beats, retention points, keywords, metadata, even thumbnails. Then it tells you exactly what to adjust to that video for a re-upload, or how to clip them into shorts for a second chance in the algorithm. This turns your meh videos into big wins. Wow! Some creators are doubling their views in a month using this alone. It works because your old videos aren't bad. They just weren't optimized the first time that you uploaded it. Before we wrap up, let me tell you something very important. Creators get stuck when they try to automate everything at once. That's the trap. You feel overwhelmed, you freeze, and nothing gets done. Automation works best piece by piece. Choose one workflow to automate this week. One of the 5 that I mentioned. It's either scripting, editing, repurposing, scheduling. Just pick one, and then you master that. And then you stack the next one. Small steps, you keep stacking, and then you get big results. And speaking of results, if you want actionable ways to monetize your creativity outside of Google AdSense, I put together a powerful guide called 10 Proven Ways to Monetize with ChatGPT Image Generator. Listen, people are making money without filming, without editing, without audiences. This guide shows you exactly how to do that. Grab it from the link in the description. It's your next level up. Now, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because the next video in this series is called 5 Hot Companies Seeking AI Contractors in 2026 for Beginners. That one is going to be eye-opening, especially if you want to jump on the AI bandwagon, where so many opportunities are opening up to create multiple streams of income for you. And that's what you want. Please check out the links in the description for different ways to monetize online without having to depend on Google AdSense. I have a whole bunch of them down there. Thank you so much for watching. Automate smart, create boldly, and always be ready to spot ways to create additional income. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.